parents model self-compassion and an emotional resilience for their children while still navigating their own healing journey?
That's so nice. I think by knowing how to regulate your emotions and just being present with them and focusing when you notice their feeling, right? When you notice their anger or sadness or whatever it is, being with them and not really asking a lot of questions, just being with. Um,
Mm.
and and even asking, what do you need from me right now? What do you need from
Oh,
me?
yeah.
That's a great, instead of being like, what's wrong with you? Why are you
Ooh.
crying? Um, what happened? It's more like, I see you're sad. I see you're really upset. I see, what do you need from me? And a lot of times they might not know. So you might say, do you need a hug? Do you need a break? So you can always offer suggestions because they might be in a moment where they can't cognitively process what they need.
Yeah.
And then it's just like, I'm here for you whenever you need me. If you need to take a break, you can go to your room. But whenever you're ready, I'm here. And we can talk about what you need.
One thing you keep saying, and I think it is so true, is that you need to be present for your children. And
Yeah.
that's one thing I when I was in survival mode, of course, I wasn't as much as I should have been at the time. I don't like using that word should have, but but there were times that I absolutely made myself present. And now it's funny with my grandchildren, they'll even if I'm sitting there and I'm on my phone, they'll walk over and put the phone down. And
Yeah.
they
They
want
don't
my
like it.
and I'm okay. Yep, I'll put the phone down. You want, they're not doing it inappropriately. It's just, it's they want my attention right now, and I will turn to them and I will absolutely give them 100% of my attention. And I so get that. That's all they want, is they just want you to be
Yeah.
present.
And I think the phones are such, like I talk about this all the
Ugh.
time. Phones are just so much of a presence sucker. They take the presence away. And I'm guilty of it.
Me too.
Um, we all are. And so we have to just be so conscious of when we have the phone, where we have the phone, having those phone free zones in your home. I mean, it all sounds silly, but it's so important. Like, because your
Yes.
kids, they do not like when you're not able, or when you're at the soccer game, you're not on your phone, or when
Yeah.
you're there, you're really there with them, watching and listening and making eye contact's another one. If you notice, a lot of times we don't have a lot of eye contact going on anymore.
True. That is so true.
Um, have making eye contact with your children, touch. That's a really big one too. So
Hmm.
I think being able to be present and put the phone down is so important.
Our border collies, we got two border collies. They won't even let us, when we call snuggle time at night. It's so funny. If I pick up my phone, they literally push it out of my hand.
Oh,
Literally.
that's so
They
funny.
will not, and it's like, okay, I put it down and they just want my attention,
Yeah,
and that's fine. But it's funny. How can dogs know that? So if dogs know
that's
that,
we all need border collies. That's so cool. Like,
they will not let us be on the phone.
oh wow, that's so
I know,
cute.
it's
Yeah.
adorable. They're spoiled rotten.